Break ID number 3604. 2018 Unparalleled Football one-box break. Break ID number 3604. Here's the alphabetical list. Unparalleled Football one-box break. 2018 Unparalleled Football one-box break. This was a buy one get three free, so the spots are bunched up like that. Should get a free spot. Go. This was a buy one get three free, so the spots are bunched up like that. Should get a free spot. This was a buy one get three free, so the spots are bunched up like that. Should get a free spot. Go. Hey, Russell. Hey, CJ. Wow, look at that. On the top row again. Seriously getting nervous. Russell GR with a free spot. Andrew GR with a free spot. The GR brothers. Grr. We'll give away $2,000 on Sunday. Oh, by the way, this Sunday there's only one break. Zeke die cut insert. Darnold rookie. DJ Chark. Alshon Jeffrey to 75. Amari Cooper jersey. Oakland. Russell GR. Let me check. I think that's a different day. I think it's scheduled for a different day. Museum baseball. Let me check. I think that's a different day. I think it's scheduled for a different day. Let me check. I think that's a different day. I think it's scheduled for a different day. Museum baseball. Roquan Smith, rookie auto.
Museum Friday.
Museum is scheduled for Friday. We could break it tonight if it's sold out, but it's scheduled for Friday. This one is to the Bears.
It is sold out, Dan, so it's up to you.
It is?
It is.
Oh, well, there you go. How'd that happen? Who has the Bears? Have I done that yet? Russell, GR. So, Bobby, we will break it today. Nick Chubb to 25. He has done that many times. That's fun to watch.
He has done that many times. He has done that many times. That's fun to watch. That's fun to watch.
Carry-on Johnson, jersey, auto. Detroit.
Carry-on Johnson, jersey, auto. Carry-on Johnson, jersey, auto.
Sean, M.O.
Detroit.
I appreciate that, Bobby.
Sean, M.O. Sean, M.O. I appreciate that, Bobby. I appreciate that, Bobby.
Josh Rosen, rookie. And that's 2/100. Saquon Barkley, rookie. Last pack. A break will say, if it's not available tonight, 99% of the time, if something from another day breaks early, we will do it tonight.
A break will say if it's not available tonight. A break 99% of the time, if something from another day breaks early, we will do it tonight. 99% of the time, if something from another day breaks early, we will do it
All right.
tonight.